Cooking is Chris Spear's passion, so spending long hours in the kitchen doesn't tire him out. But when he started his own full-time catering service a year and a half ago, he often felt lonely. That inspired him to found Chefs Without Restaurants, an online resource for chefs.
We're caterers, we're personal chefs, we run food trucks, we have awesome food specialty shops.
Since the group started in January, about 100 chefs have joined.
We're in a Facebook group where I can just post and say, next Wednesday, a customer wants to do a dinner, here's their price range, here's where they live. If anyone's maybe interested, send me a personal message and I'll get you their info.
Customers can also benefit from the network.
We're building a website where you can come on and see profiles of all the members and kind of having what their specialties are. You can see whether they're a caterer doing big parties, a personal chef doing small.
Lana and Bobby Browner are a wife and husband team who own a catering company.
We specialize in Creole cuisine and Caribbean cuisine.
When the Browners heard about Chefs Without Restaurants, they decided to become members.
I think the biggest hurdle for a lot of chefs is that they don't really form an alliance because they're all kind of competing with each other, but you don't have that in this group.
It's a real competitive field, but the alliance that's being formed is a lot of camaraderie, a lot of openness, and a lot of sharing.
The group is also bringing more business to local facilities, like this shared kitchen, Maryland Bakes, where members often meet and work.
They bring creative ideas and just the whole network of independent people joining together. So it's a big community.
I like that.
The whole local food community seems to have embraced Chefs Without Restaurants.
I want them to be successful as much as I want to be successful. So I think by sharing that and having them come into the store, they get in front of our customers and hopefully we get in front of their customers, that it's a win-win for both of us.
That's the goal for Chris Spear, who wants to carve a space for independent chefs on the Washington area food map. For writer Faiza El Masri, I'm Faith Lapidus, VOA News.